So I just want to bring you this fantastic haul I got from the Goodwill yesterday. On Saturdays, every second Saturday in Las Vegas, everything in the store is half price, except for I think it's red tag. So I'm going to show you this awesome haul and wait till you see what I got at the end. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl, and watch what I have. Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited. You're not gonna believe. So yesterday, Saturday, it is Goodwill half price, 50% off everything in the store. In Las Vegas, we have Goodwill to have half price off every second Saturday of the month. So I'm going there to donate stuff, but guess what I found? You are gonna be so amazed. Guys, okay. So let me show you the first thing. I'm gonna go really small first. The first thing I did when I went to the Goodwill is just found these nice candles. So I was looking for candles for my candlesticks I got from the Goodwill that I hauled a couple months ago. So they had some pretty like blush pink ones and also some nice cream. I hauled my candlestick, the silver ones, about 2 months ago. So I finally found some candlesticks, some candles, and they were only $1.99. So I got 2 cream. So I'll probably use this for my tablescape. So they were $1.99 half price, guys. It was only 99¢. Okay, the second thing I got was this nice, beautiful tray. It's very masculine. I believe this is about 20 inches in diameter. I was gonna really like resin this first, but I don't know. I might just leave it like this, okay, and then maybe give it to my son or someone like that, or just sell it on my Etsy shop. I think something like this would be great for like a man's cave or something like a man's bar cart. I think it's very masculine. It's very gorgeous. And look at the quality of this. So this was actually $7.99. Half price, guys. I only paid $4 for it. All right, so let me show you the next item. All right, guys, so the next thing, I got this beautiful little fondue cart. I should have had this when I did my Cinco de Mayo last week for the bar cart. Look at this beauty. It is for a fondue. It's for your chocolate. And let me just show you quickly. It's ceramic, and it has about, it's a 9-piece set. So it is very gorgeous. I could have used this last week when I did my Cinco de Mayo and my birthday on my bar cart. So I think on my bar cart, I'm gonna do like a dessert table, guys. So I'm gonna do a DIY and a tour of that and show you like all the things we can do with this fondue here. So this fondue from the Goodwill, and it's in pretty good shape. It was $7.90, no, this was $9.99. So again, half price, guys. I only paid $5 for this. You see this, absolutely beautiful. The next item I got is from Ikea. It's called, I believe, Sagan. And these are lamps. These are small lamps and they have LED lights. These lamps were brand new from the box. They were only $4.99. Half price, it was $2.50, and these were brand new. So I got 2 of them. So this is what I'm gonna do with these lamps. Because these are taupe or taupe lamps, and this is not really my color, I'm going to diamond wrap these. So I was thinking about wrapping these all around and then the top. And instead of putting it on a table, I think I'm gonna hang it like this and use it as a wall sconce, one on each side of my television and my bedroom. So I'm gonna do probably this DIY first, and then I'm gonna show you. So that, you know, bedroom tour might be another couple weeks, because I wanna try this. It wouldn't be long to DIY it, but I figured instead of using the top, I didn't wanna paint it because I was figuring I might ruin it. So again, this is chrome at the bottom. Look at this, shiny and brand new, guys. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Ikea, that was a great find from the Goodwill. All right, for the next thing I want to show you, it's amazing. This is for my bar cart, and I might, guys, put it on my Etsy. You know, I'm always doing my bar cart, okay? So, and I always like my glasses, right? So this baby is, and I don't drink vodka, but this is a Vodka Set. This is it's 2 for $6, 7-piece Vodka Set, and this is a Godinger. So this was at the Goodwill. Now this wasn't really cheap, so I did spend $15 for it, but you know what? I thought it was a great find. It was brand new in the box, and they have different color glasses, shot glasses. So, you know, when you have guests over, they know the color of their glass. That's why the glasses are individually colored. But I might put this on my Etsy because I think this will make up absolutely sharp for a man's bar cart. So anyway, when I was at the Goodwill, so I found this, so one of the guys was like, do you want to get it or do I want to get it? So I said, well, you know, they're not going to come on the price of it. And then he didn't want to buy it, so I ended up taking it because I know I can easily sell this on Etsy or on eBay. All right, so I have to show you something that is absolutely stunning. You know, I always save the best for last. So you're not gonna believe this. I got these brand new from the Goodwill. Look at this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And these go on eBay for $35. This is brand new in the box. Would you believe it? This was hidden all the way at the bottom of the shelf. I don't know who donated this, and I'm not going to tell you how much it costs until I show it to you. Look at this. Guys, look at these. This is Fine Lead Crystal Flutes. Look at the stem. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I have a gold rim tip on each and every one. And again, on eBay, they go for $35. So this was an awesome, awesome find. So I can't wait to do a tablescape with this. So let me show you the second thing I got. The wine glass. Yes, I got the wine glass, okay? Again, brand new in the box. So the same guy came over to me and says, do you want to share the box? I'm like, you know what, let me pray on it. So when I got to the register, I'm like, nah, I can't give these up. This, look at this shape. Look how beautiful and gorgeous these are. This is beautiful workmanship. This is a beautiful piece of art on this glass. I'm telling you guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I paid for this. So we're talking about the flutes, and you see what it says here, Fine Lead Crystal, and this for the bargain price of $6.99, half price. This was $3.50 and $3.50. Again, you know, Mooregirl refining her still. So I know a lot of you guys was asking me, you know, Mooregirl, I wish you was in my city, or Mooregirl, I wish I was in Las Vegas. Again, guys, so many things are donated from the casinos, bars. Remember, this is a transient city, so stuff comes and goes. People move all the time. So we get some awesome deals. And since yesterday was half price, guys, the line was wrapped around the whole entire store. I actually went there to donate a bag, and I came out there with 5 bags worth of stuff. So that is my Goodwill find. I want to show you one last thing. When you go to see it, you're going to be like, oh, Mooregirl, what are you going to do with that? But just watch to see, because you know your Mooregirl is going to do an awesome DIY on this project. So guys, all right, before you judge, you know how your Mooregirl is, and I can DIY just about anything. So I need something either for my hallway or above my bed. And this might be a little big, but I want to show you this thing. It caught my eye when I was in Goodwill. This is the first thing that caught my eye. So this is a humongous, okay, I have to bring the camera out. So guys, look at this humongous mirror. You guys, you see Sarah in the background. She's always everywhere. So anyway, so I'm thinking somebody did a DIY on this, and they did a really, really bad job. So I don't know if it was silver, it was blue, then it's white. Horrible job. If my DIY do not come out right, I'm going to take the mirror out and just use the mirror on the inside. And I know this is kind of, you know, it seems a little dated the way they painted it or tried to DIY it. Look at Sarah tell y'all. But what I'm going to do is, if I use it for my bedroom, I will paint this silver, okay, and do some type of technique on it. If I use it for my hallway, which I do really need, because I have a long hallway, guys, I would do a gold and probably some brush strokes on here, sort of like I did with my box from the Goodwill and my tray. So make it sort of like a gold with like that champagne maybe, or light mother of pearl and gold look. So it could have sort of two-tone, you know, instead of just having a shiny gold, let's tone it down some. So I might do that with this mirror. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do this, but guys, you know me, and you know your Mooregirl, you know it's gonna come out absolutely gorgeous. So guys, this is everything I got from my haul from the Goodwill yesterday. And I can't wait to show you everything, my bar card, you know, my tablescape with the glasses, my bedroom tour, and also those lights. So with those lamps, again, I am going to bling them out. And I think if I bling them out, I do this silver, I do some technique, I think it's going to come out absolutely gorgeous. And also with the blush candles. So guys, it's your Mooregirl. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you guys later.